This is the Parrot OS login screen. Enter the password and click on login. This is the default Parrot OS screen. You can find the penetration testing applications under the application menu. Choose pen testing and you can find the testing tools. For most used tools, you can click on most used tools and check the tools. These are divided into information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, exploitation tools, etc. So to launch the terminal, you can click on the terminal icon here. Parrot Linux distribution is based on Debian. So if you're familiar with Debian distributions like Ubuntu, it is very easy for you to get understanding with the terminal commands.